Today I'm going to be showing you how to use puff print heat transfer vinyl. I know there's a lot of people out there that want to use puff print heat transfer vinyl, but they're having a lot of trouble with it coming out wrinkly and just overall not coming out the way that they want it to. A lot of the questions that I'm asked have a lot of simple answers to them, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you guys a full step-by-step breakdown on how I use puff print heat transfer vinyl. Overall, I really enjoy the puff that I get with my settings, so I really hope that you will find value in this video. If you do, please make sure you hit that subscribe, and then if you have any questions, leave me in the comment section. Everything used in this video is going to be in my affiliate storefront, so you're not scrambling looking for everything to use. I like to get right into my videos, keep the intros nice, short, and sweet, so without further ado, let's get right into it, guys. For this project, we're going to be using Tech Wrap Craft. It's really important to invest in high-quality puff print heat transfer vinyl because you don't want it falling off. We're also going to be using a Cricut Explorer Air 2 to cut the vinyl. We're also going to be using a heat press, in this case a Fancier Studio 15x15. Alright, so now it's time to load our vinyl cutter. I already pre-cut the vinyl that we're going to be using, and I'm going to be using a 12x24 mat here. And then, alright, so the first layer is going to be black vinyl. That's going to be what's going on the bottom layer. And then this white one is going to be the top layer. All right. And if you notice that it's coming up a little bit, don't be scared to add a little bit of tape. I highly recommend it. You don't want the vinyl getting caught up in the rollers because then you're just going to end up wasting material. And we don't want any of that happening to us, right? All right. All right, now that we have our vinyl ready, let's go ahead and bring up our Cricut Explorer 2. Now let's just go ahead and load it. I'm going to set the pressure to iron on plus. On the Cricut Explorer 2, it won't say iron on plus. It's the option right after iron on. So that's where we're going to put it on. All right, now that our vinyl cutter is done, we're going to go ahead and peel both layers. I use tweezers, but you can use whatever is most comfortable to you. All right, so I set my heat press to 285 degrees. Um, I like to keep it between 285 degrees and 300 degrees for puff print. It just really depends. So you're gonna have to play with those settings in between those 15 degrees, I would say. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press the area just to take out any of the moisture. We're gonna be doing a hoodie today. I like the design that I made, so I want to see it on a hoodie rather than a shirt. See, so when you're pressing, make sure you're like getting all the wrinkles out from under, because if you press with the wrinkle, it's gonna be impossible to get out. So let's go ahead and pre-press it for about 10 seconds. All right, there we go. All right. So let's go ahead and do the first layer, which is going to be the black. So the black layer, since it's the first layer, I'm going to do it for about, I would say about 5 seconds, maybe 7 seconds, to 5 to 7 seconds. And then this one, we're going to do it for about 12 seconds for the second layer. So let's go ahead and press this first layer for about 5 to 7 seconds. All right. Now, the reason why I did that first layer less time than the second layer is because this one's going to go through 2 levels of heat or 2 different presses. So I just want to make sure that this is taken care of all the way through, you know what I mean? Right, now let's add our second layer. All right, and then we're going to do this one for 12 seconds. All right, there we go. Yep, I'm happy with that. And there we go. All right, let me give you guys a close-up of that so you guys can see it better.